Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I actually already shot this intro once, but my SD card was full and for some reason it didn't save what I had already recorded. But today we are going to be back on the Civic. I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but we installed an Evil Energy oil catch can, which this car desperately needed. So I am glad that they sent that over. Huge thank you to them for doing that. It's a universal kit. I loved it. Everything worked out perfect, and it's a super easy install as long as you don't screw something up and you're able to get the nut at the bottom of the intake manifold off. But anyway, in today's video, we're just going to be buttoning up some loose ends. If you don't know anything about this Civic, it's a 97 Honda Civic EX Coupe that I turboed. eBay pieced together turbo kit, no tune, stock ECU, ran purely off of a Blocks Racing FMU. So feel free to comment how stupid I am. I am happy to hear it. I did a full custom exhaust all the way back, did it myself, and had my buddy Landon fully finish weld it. That worked out perfect. I didn't want something out the hood just yet, but max speeding rod's turbo. So if you guys want to see any of that footage, go check out my channel. It's all on there in detail. Everything's linked in the description. You guys can follow it video by video and do everything exactly how I did. Going to the interior, I cleaned it up as best I could from what I had when I bought it. Repainted a bunch of the interior because it was all lime green. Did a Sparco steering wheel, wideband, boost gauge, and coolest thing I think is we have an iDoing radio in there. So just having that big of a touchscreen radio in the Civic, in an old 97 Honda Civic that are usually riced out and destroyed, I think that's super cool. Apple CarPlay, backup camera if you want it. I mean, internet. You can literally buy an internet plan for your car and have full-time internet with a 4G antenna. So it's pretty freaking cool in my opinion. I do have a discount code, capital B OOST, BBoost. So feel free to use that. So anyway, we need to get coolant back in this thing, get oil back in this thing, and we're gonna take it for a ride. So stay tuned for all that. If there's anything else you guys want to see on this car, feel free to let me know. Oh yeah, we also got to redo the battery cables because the old ones were junk and broke. So what else was I gonna say? Man, I know I was gonna say something else. I can't remember what it was. Oh yeah, I finally got one of those fancy little coolant reservoir funnels that you can block off. Comes with a bunch of adapters to mount right to this lid. I will link that down on Amazon. If you don't have one and you're putting coolant in your car once or twice a year, I highly recommend buying it. So I'll link that Amazon link down below, and you guys can grab that. But let's go ahead and get right into the video. So if you guys are wondering, this takes 3.8 quarts of 5W30 oil, and I might just put 4 in because we've got our turbo now and it takes a little bit more oil to run. All right guys, so now we're just burping the coolant system. So first thing we're gonna do is, obviously you saw me put coolant in it, fill that funnel up a little bit, and just let the car run, get it to heat up, and get that coolant cycling through. You can turn your heat on all the way to get your thermostat open to get the coolant moving all the way through. So you want to kind of massage all the coolant pipes. Make sure you get every air bubble out of that or you'll have overheating issues. So that's what we're doing now. Okay, guys, it rips, as you just saw. For only being 10 pounds of boost, I mean, I swear it feels like the horsepower doubled. Now, it didn't double, but it definitely significantly increased it just for not even 10 pounds, for like 5 to 7 pounds is what it really is. So I'm very happy with it. That car actually, the coolant burped very quickly and easily. I got it up to temp, fan kicked on, everything was holding good, took it for a ride. As you saw, everything held great. No oil leaks, so that's a plus. We got everything buttoned up good there. And it seems like that oil catch can is sealed up good. I mean, it's venting to air, but removing the PCV valve, it's working great. Now, I do think you'll have a check engine light if you do that, but my check engine light was already on, so I don't know what the problem is, so it really don't matter, you know. I mean, I slapped a turbo on it, so that could be a big thing with it, but it was already on when I got it. So anyway, I know this was kind of a random video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I was able to kind of help some of you out. And if you want to see anything I've done to the car, go back and look through my channel. I've done everything I've done to that car is for YouTube. I bought that car for you guys. So everything done to it is on YouTube. I got to figure out what I want to do next. I need to get some white injectors, and I want new wheels, I want new suspension, I want new bushings, everything. I want a freaking K24, K20, whatever. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If there's anything you want to see, comment down below. I've got a Subaru, Harley, rail buggy, anything, just comment down below and I'll see what I can do. Thanks guys.